It never stops at Carter's Eat. We're doing an unboxing as Meemaw makes her meatloaf. This is my mother, Joyce, and you may or may not know we got an unboxing to do mail call. And yes, I wiped it down with everything necessary.
Yes.
And this is from Soulful Tea. Soulful Tea's channel. Her link is in the description box. We are opening this up. There she is.
What is it called?
Soulful Tea's season.
So we're gonna use it instead of the other kind. It's already mixed up.
It's already mixed up. It's a flavored mix. I love her label. Cooking with Soulful Tea seasoned flour. Thank you, Soulful Tea. My goal was for me and Meemaw to do the facts or slap challenge, but nobody in my house wanted whipped cream or powder on their face. So, and we'll be discussing as we go along. Enjoy the video. And thank you for watching Carter's Eat. Now thumbs it up and subscribe. Seasoned flour. We're not going to use it in today's meatloaf, but I haven't fried in a while, so I'll get this to you guys shortly, a frying pork chop. But I wanted you guys to see Meemaw making her meatloaf. But Soulful Tea has come in the mail, and we'll be trying it out together. Shout out to Soulful Tea. Be sure to get by her channel. Get there. Mother has breadcrumbs in the meatloaf, parsley
flakes.
And what's the amino acids thing called?
The amino is kind of like a Worcestershire sauce. Substitute is a
Dale seasoning.
Dale seasoning. This meatloaf is pretty easy to make. You don't have to put a lot of stuff in it. So I have breadcrumbs in here. I have 3 pounds of ground meat, so you have to always look at your proportion and adjust your recipe accordingly. So next I'm going to add from my daughter Lisa. I need a fork, Lisa, for no, I get it. Well, I'm gonna beat up my egg just kind of lightly. Put into the meat mixture. And this is where those of you who might be squeamish about putting your hands in things, you have to, this is the best way to make meatloaf is almost like making biscuits. You gotta put your hands in it, wash your hands good, take off all your jewelry, but you're gonna be doing a whole lot of squeezing it together. I'll put a little pepper in it. Probably should use that white pepper. We're not gonna put a whole lot of onion in this because the kids don't like onion. You can use about a half a cup of chopped onion. It's about the only thing they say is the main thing to put in there. So I'm starting with, Lisa, come do this one. Put in about a cup of milk in here. Starting with the breadcrumbs and the meat. Trying to get it all together because you want the flavors to go through. It's 2 eggs beat up. I put them in. If you can see me, can you see me?
I'll zoom it in.
All right.
Recording.
No, just a little bit. Wait a minute. Now let me get this sugar here.
Just let them watch you work.
Okay. Mixing it up. Okay, you watching the show too. Check your little recipe there. See how much milk does it say.
How much do you think? I trust you.
Just enough milk to kind of keep it moist. The milk gives us protein, gives it moisture, help hold the crumbs together. Half. Well, I'm adding a little more since we got more meat. Okay, put our salt in already. We don't want to put too much salt for the people who have high blood pressure or don't need the extra salt. Some of the seasonings and toppings we put on it will make it flavorful, like barbecue sauce, chip sauce. Thank you, ma'am. And I'm almost ready to put it in because we got to give me the ones in nutrition week.
This is the one.
Oh man, I swear we're gonna get it right. This is a little barbecue sauce to give it flavor. That's about right. Thank you, ma'am.
Sweet Baby Rays.
A few more parsley flakes,
Because we have to make a plenty.
A plenty. smells good already.
I'm gonna add some. This is Tiana. I Can Only Be Me. Her hey does.
What is it? What's in it? Like,
Low sodium seasoning.
is it hot?
No. You used just pour it all in.
I don't want to put it all really.
It's not that heavy.
But we just want to
Keep going. It's on it.
there she
It's
goes.
very light. You'll see.
Okay. And we're gonna squeeze it all together. Want to make sure all the flavors go all the way through all the meat. Not egg white in it, just so I don't have to use any more egg. We'll keep this on hand so you can not get too much albumin. It's egg whites.
Okay.
100% y'all. The other one I'm making for 2 separate loaves. You know, meatloaf, it won't rise. It's not bread. But it bakes up well. Push it to the sides. When it's, you know, it's done when it sort of loosens up on the sides. Loosens up. It may not help it enough. It's another small one. Let me see. Okay. When we get it cooked, we'll turn it upside down and slide it out the pan. That's why you let it sit a bit too. Okay, you think that's good?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we go. This is the second one. I shake it with my hands, just like we do bread. And then if you see anything that seems like it's more on one side than the other, you continue to knead it together so that, again, the flavors will be inside or throughout. Okay, as you can see, my hands, that's meat, meat on the hands. But again, I washed my hands well. Took off my rings and was sanitized. So we're gonna go again with the, let's shake this. Alrighty. Everybody see that? There we go. Pat, pat, pat. So it's gonna be kind of flat, but we can make it bigger. I don't know, and put it right into the, spray all the way all over there. Okay, so let it cook. I'll shape it like a pan, kind of. And that's the second meatloaf, second batch.
Okay, and we'll see you
We see it
for
about
the final product.
when we take it out in the oven.
Mini.
Okay, I'm trying to think if we're ready with this. We're done with this.
There's Joycey. Say bye-bye.
All right, we'll see you when we take it out of the oven. 55 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
And here we are, the final product, still sizzling and simmering. Arthur has to be in all videos. There he is. See him? See him?
He's the supervisor.
All right, let's go.
Joyce, look. Joyce.
Let's go. Let's get it cracking.
Let's get it what?
Cracking.
They don't want to see you. They want to see the meatloaf. It show is pretty. It show is pretty. You can get this Rachel Ray cookware from the Amazon link in the description box. It has a whole set of 3. Get there, get there, get there, get there. Very affordable. And Faberware. It's been worn. It's seen its best day. As Drew Nation told me. Y'all check out Drew Nation. But baby, this meatloaf is ready, as are we. Thank you guys for coming to Carter's Eat. Mima, Chef Mima.
What?
Chef Mima.
Yes.
Thank you for making
Oh, okay.
the meatloaf. Say bye-bye.
Bye, everybody, and we'll let you know how we survived the meal.
And tell them to try out the recipe.
If you try, please try the recipe. You'll be glad you did.
Okay, bye-bye, you guys.
right.
Thank you for coming
Bye.
to Carter's Eat. Be sure you subscribe. Bye-bye.
You got
Ooh. there is your finished
Want some bread, Chuck?
product. Look. Hit it one time for 30 seconds. Yes, yes, yes.
I'm coming back.
A little bit of sweet baby rays and some glistening green beans. Yes, come get a plate.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Man, you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money supersized, G5 super fly, should be supervised. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky. Keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami kamikaze on the mind. Spit flow, paparazzi flash shine, get dough, champagne murder.